Hello everyone, how are you? In this occasion, I would like to make a short video about how to use Google Classroom to help students in learning English. Without any further ado, I will explain about how to join a class. So, let's open the Classroom application. Click the plus button, then click Join Class. Then type or paste the class code. Then click Join. Congratulations, we have joined a class now. After this, what we have to do is check the material and assignment that given by the teacher. But how can we find that? Just click the classwork right over here. And we can find there are a material and assignment given by the teacher. First, let's open the material. Click at the material to look up. Then click the attachment of the material to open it. And this is the material shared by the teacher. If you want to save it for later, you just need to click the share button and then click the save button. Click more, then save to files, choose the location, and then confirm. The material will be saved automatically into your device. The teacher gave us an assignment. How can we find it? First, click Done. Then click the X button. Then click Back. Click the assignment to look up. We can see there is an instruction of the assignment. If you are already done with your homework and ready to submit it, just click the button widget. Then click Add Attachment. Click File and choose the file. Lastly, click Turn In and confirm. If you find a mistake on your last submission, you can unsubmit it by click the Unsubmit button and then confirm. Then you can edit your file before submit it again. Well, that's all about how to use Google Classroom for students. Thanks for watching.